All our kids want is our time, and there will come a day when we'd give anything to have theirs. So play the board game, eat dinner as a family, tuck them in and tell them a story. There is no gift more precious than time. So for today, let's get the housework done in a speed cleaning session with my toddler in tow. Thank you for stopping by. I'm so happy that you're here. I hope today's video gives you lots of cleaning motivation. I'm starting off in my bathroom, cleaning off this countertop and the mirrors. My house is just getting over having a small little virus that took my son right out, and now my husband unfortunately has it too. Knock on wood, I'm not next. I'm feeling great, so I think that I did miss that one and I'm not going to get sick as well. But if I do, I guess we won't be surprised, right? So I am going to work today on getting everything cleaned up, counters wiped up, and just taking all of this virus out of our house so that it is nice, fresh, and clean, and we can get into enjoying the start of this beautiful summer. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Welcome back if you are returning. I'm so happy that you're here. Leave a comment, introduce yourself, tell me where you're from, how you are doing, and something that you're looking forward to this summer with your kids. Now that my bathroom is all clean, I want to introduce you to a jewelry brand called Luisa. They were so kind to gift me 2 jewelry pieces that I'm so excited to wear and share with you. Luisa crafts high quality jewelry pieces at very affordable prices. The first piece is these gorgeous earrings. They're hoop earrings with little pearls on them, and they are lightweight and feel so comfortable on your ears. The second piece is stacking necklaces. Both pieces are gold and absolutely gorgeous. They have such high quality pieces. They are carbon neutral from packaging to product. They truly care about their impact on the planet. Their designs are unique and will make you feel empowered, elegant, and at your finest. They have unmatched quality, long-lasting, hypoallergenic, water-resistant, and sustainable. These pieces will definitely elevate your style without breaking the bank. They have free and fast shipping in the United States. They also have a worry-free guarantee with a 2-year warranty on all products. I figured I would put the pieces on before we get further into our cleaning today so that I could wear them and share them with you, as I absolutely have been enjoying them, and I know that you will enjoy all of their pieces too. I do have a toddler, so wearing jewelry is not something I do every single day. I kind of just stick to the same pieces, but products like this that are sustainable and have the highest quality are products that I feel I will be able to wear with him with ease and not have to worry about them breaking or not lasting me a long time. As you can see, they are absolutely gorgeous. I hope that presenting them to you in this way is fun, as I do think it would be really fun to do like a get ready with me video. And if you are interested in that, let me know and I could definitely film one of those for you, as I have not done that yet. Here is a glimpse of each of the pieces on me. I hope that you enjoy seeing them, and you go to their website in my description linked below and check out all the pieces. I'm sure you're going to find something that you absolutely love too. Now moving into the laundry room, I'm getting my load of laundry started for the day. I start a load of laundry every single day. This just starts my day off on the right note and keeps the laundry going. As if you are anything like me, the laundry seems to be never ending, so if we miss a day, it piles up quite quickly. As you can see, I have a basket already full that needs to be folded, so I will get to that later. And before I knew it, all the laundry was done. I did have to do a couple loads on this day, but that is totally fine. Next, we're moving into my son's room. If you missed my last video, go and check that out. At the end, I showed his little big boy bed reveal where we gave him this twin bed and took the rest of his crib out of here. He has been loving this bed. He's been calling it his Sonic bed since we did put Sonic sheets on here. I did order a comforter. It hasn't come in yet, but we might just kind of fold it up at the bottom or just wait to put it on since he's been so excited about Sonic on here. So we'll see what ends up happening with that. But for now, I am going to just get this bed all remade and just tidied up so then he will be ready a little bit later for his nap. My son is just recovering from not feeling well. As you can see, he's starting to get tired for his nap, but I just put out some Play-Doh and he has been down here just playing away, loving this, and he's watching a movie too. I don't remember exactly what he was watching, but this kid lives the life. He has this cute little table. He could just sit here and color and play with Play-Doh and watch a movie, and he just fully enjoys himself. You'll see the rest of the video. He kind of follows me around, wondering why I'm cleaning. Not very happy that I did clean up some of the toys here in the living room, but this rug definitely needed to be vacuumed. These blankets need to be put away. I'll show you a close-up of the rug as there are crunched up chips all over the floor. And one of the main purposes I even started getting cleaning today was to be able to clear off this couch and vacuum up all the crumbs from the extra snacks he's been enjoying while he's recovering from having some kind of virus. He had a fever for quite a while, and then he got a little stuffy nose and a cold. I think because last week it was so cold here. If you're new here, we live in Massachusetts, and last week it was like 40, 50 degrees. Whereas the weeks before it was in the 70s and 80s. So I guess our bodies thought that it was suddenly fall and we got some fall colds. So my weekly cleaning was a little bit different than typically. I do work full-time from home. I am a medical coder. So during my day, I usually have some time to just go around my house, do some cleaning, do some laundry. Got a few breaks in the day, and my son is at his daycare program. But since he wasn't feeling well, he was with me on this day. So I kind of had to do a lot of multitasking, which is totally fine. And he plays really well and was definitely happy to have a little extra time at home. So I hope you enjoy seeing a few extra glimpses of him in today's video. If you have little kids at home too and you're struggling to get the household tasks done, your cleaning and your to-do list checked off, remember to look for glimmers. Glimmers are the opposite of triggers. They're those tiny moments of joy, awe, and peace that tell our nervous system to feel safe, calm, and connected. So remember, our children are learning and watching with us. The cleaning doesn't always have to be done all at once. All of it needs to be completely cleaned and done and checked off. Just take like a couple minutes and tidy each room of your house so then you can move through your day a little bit smoother and have a little bit of cleaning therapy. That's definitely how I feel about it. So then you can enjoy all the rest of the time with your kids, playing, using your imagination, watching their imaginations grow and thrive, and feel like you had a successful day with doing a few tidying tasks around the house in a short amount of time, speed cleaning the entire time, and then spending majority of your time enjoying your kids. Now we are in the kitchen. I just have a few dishes to put here in the dishwasher, some that need to be cleaned in the sink. I need to scrub down the sink. I started already wiping down the countertops. I'll do this side of countertops and also the kitchen island to continue to get all of those sick germs out of our house and get rid of this virus so we don't have any more illness here at the beginning of our summer. As we clean the dishes here in the sink, if you have some in your sink too, let's wash our dishes together. I found this on Pinterest and wanted to read it to you. I thought it was so nice, especially for today's video, as my toddler is here in tow as I'm doing this speed cleaning. A firstborn is more than just a child. They are the beginning of everything. The first to make you a parent. The first to teach you the depths of love, patience, and sacrifice. With every milestone they reach, you grow alongside them, learning, stumbling, and becoming. They are the tiny hands that held yours as you found your way, the heart that made yours bigger, the soul that forever changed who you are. No matter how much they grow, they will always be the one who made you. I hope you love that just as much as I do. And in these moments of chaos and craziness and kids at home and all the tasks to do, I hope you take some joy in your children and know that they honestly made you such a better person. I hope that you watch them, teach them, and continue to grow with them and know that you are learning from them just as much as you are teaching them. And if you're anything like me, becoming a mother was one of the best things to ever happen to you. It has definitely changed my entire life, but I can honestly say I think it's made me such a better person. I absolutely love being a mom, especially to my son. His name is Luca. He's currently 3 years old. He has been so much fun, and I couldn't imagine spending one single day without him, and I am trying my hardest to find that pause button so we can take our time and enjoy every moment with him. I do know this is going to be my one and only child, so I feel I am trying my hardest to enjoy it even more. As I know you are too, and I'm sure once you find out that that is going to be the last baby, I feel you try to take time even more, not rush any moment, and enjoy every single phase that you go through. I just made my son a little lunch, so I figured I'd show you. He's been loving these little containers. I got them at Five Below. They came in this blue color and also like a green color, and they do have lids if you want to take them to go. So for lunch today, I gave him strawberries, clementine, and then this is just a grilled cheese sandwich that a half of a grilled cheese sandwich, and I cut it up into thirds. That way it fits in here. And I've also learned that if I cut them this way, he eats the entire sandwich, including the crust. And I didn't really have anything to put in the fourth one, so I'm just gonna leave that one empty. But let's see if he eats this for his lunch. I'm going to finish off today's speed cleaning session here in the guest bathroom, which is downstairs. This is the main bathroom that everybody uses, and it was touched with lots of germs. So we are wiping down this countertop and sink and the mirror and continuing to germ-free this house during this cleaning session. Thank you so much for stopping by and taking time out of your day to hang out with me today. I hope this video gives you lots of cleaning motivation and you leave here feeling like you were just hanging out with a friend. Don't forget to check out the description bar down below. I'll have the website link for Luisa jewelry, so go check them out. I am sure you are going to find a piece of jewelry that you absolutely love and you're going to wear and enjoy for years to come. I hope you come back and hang out with me again. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, so please consider subscribing if you have not yet and you enjoyed today's video. I post lots of videos like this, and if you have any suggestions of videos you'd like to see upcoming, I am more than happy to hear them, so leave them in the comments as well. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day.